If you're looking to use affiliate tools for influencer partnerships, this video will show you exactly how to leverage them effectively in just a few minutes. Stick around, because I'll also share a way you can try the software I'm using today with an exclusive free trial available only to my viewers. Let's dive in. Affiliate tools are designed to help influencers and brands work together in a seamless and effective way. The first step is finding the right software for managing affiliate relationships. Whether you're just getting started or have experience, these tools will streamline the process for both influencers and brands. Once you've chosen the software we'll be using today, the next step is to sign up and get familiar with the dashboard. Most tools will have a clean interface with simple options to track clicks, conversions, and commissions. The key here is to connect both your affiliate and influencer accounts. For example, if you're managing partnerships with influencers, you'll need to ensure each influencer has a unique affiliate link to track their sales. Now, one of the most crucial features of affiliate tools is tracking performance. With this, you'll be able to see which influencers are bringing in the most revenue, what content is performing well, and which promotions are the most successful. This data is essential for scaling your partnerships. Keep an eye on your influencers' engagement levels and make adjustments based on which campaigns are producing results. Another great feature is the ability to automate payments and commissions. This removes a lot of the manual work involved, ensuring timely payments to your influencers and keeping them motivated. By setting up custom commission rates or bonus structures, you can tailor the incentives to different types of partnerships. This can be a huge motivator for influencers to promote more actively. When it comes to influencer partnerships, communication is key. Use the messaging tools built into your affiliate platform to stay in touch with your influencers, share updates, and provide them with new promotional materials or offers. The more you communicate, the better your results will be. And here's a pro tip. Don't just rely on clicks or conversions. Use the data to find patterns that indicate the types of content or campaigns that work best for specific influencers. For example, video content might perform better with some influencers, while others might see higher engagement with blog posts or social media shoutouts. The last step is optimizing. Based on the data you've gathered, tweak your campaigns, adjust your messaging, refine your offers, and even experiment with different affiliate programs. This is how you ensure you're not just using affiliate tools for influencer partnerships, but maximizing their potential. The key takeaway from today is simple. To effectively use affiliate tools for influencer partnerships, you need to select the right software, track performance, automate payments, communicate regularly, and constantly optimize your campaigns. And don't forget, you can try the software we've been talking about today for free. Check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to my viewers. This is a great way to get hands-on with the software and see how it can benefit your influencer partnerships. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.